Hey guys, what's going on? So, another born day in Manila. The weather was supposed to be nasty the whole week. Sally, still haven't gotten a freaking call yet. Starting to get annoying actually. Starting to get very annoying actually. That's point. That's point. I'm hoping to get my hours soon, but I haven't gotten any hours yet since my orientation date. Like a week back ago. Back on week number two was get this. So there's still no hours. Still quite painful, really. Really want to start working, but haven't I haven't got my whole schedule sorted out yet. I've been almost a month, dude. I mean, the day can literally it's only time now. Going to start working, you know. But lately, we're gonna do the whole running out things. So yeah, basically I've been chilling, playing all the games. I really want to start looking up instead of having to stay home every day, doing the same thing every day in my life. You know, I go bed at 5. I wake up, play video games all day, watch movies, and eat dinner. If I talk to my friends, and I read pictures in the nighttime. I go to bed at 5, and so on. That's how house goes right now. I haven't shaved in a while because, well, I don't even shave until I start when work was. I don't have an hour yet, so but I forgot some of my shirts I got. I want to start dating too. One of my favorite movies. It is really want to start working, you know. And after all this the crafting deal, we start working, but it's gonna be a whole lot a week full. This word, so only the next day will be Wednesday. So I go and take a walk to market basket, talk to someone finally, because if you try calling, you won't do shit. I know I call for a lot of days. I got nowhere. Kind of sucks. But I was calling on some shows because work must be very bad. A lot of my shows I'm going to this week are not happening. No, looking forward to this one for again one Wednesday, but nothing happened now because of the weather wise. And tomorrow there's one more, but I don't know. The better all kids, you know. Really looking forward really looking forward to the August forefront for the listeners. But yeah, seems like seems like they dropped because of long to the point where it's starting to get very annoying. It's starting very annoying, and I'm happy with them now. I really want to start making subs for roles. Make money for have a decent summer, but I need money for that. Which I have a job, I have a job here, but anytime. It says it my year, nephews for first year. But hey, I haven't got shit yet, so I don't have only one of the this badge and once. once, or it took 1 hour, 2.5 hours. So it's a good thing from time I was there. Maybe about like a couple bucks. But yeah, at this point, I'm pretty much done. Not happy with the way things are happening there. So yeah. I'm pretty sure everybody else who was there, was already there, working. I will see everybody. I was working that day, part-time job, working, making money. So me, I could get that shit and everything. The hours are not coming. So yeah, definitely got a plan for knowing, and then the next day to go to the water, talk to someone, person, to figure out what's going on with the whole schedule. And I haven't put some much flaws because of what world where been a lot of it's been kind of annoying because I get tired of the stream, honestly, dude. I know my son logging in. I know. Hopefully this won't be just or so because I'm only next day. So probably gonna start go down to the show this week. Record a few songs. I'm gonna do like one, two, three, four songs for this for channel. For asking me how to go. But yeah, I'm gonna do one, two, four songs that I like. Show for hang out because definitely there has to be a whole lot of copy running out, which kind of sucks because I like song. So yeah, hoping I'm talking. I'll get 4 hours and finally figure out when I start. I like the song, dude. The song. So yeah, hoping when I go and talk to someone, give me hours, also situated, get the date start finally. So by to lose our bill. I said, yeah, do the best. And then last week was it would be nice if I started working hours. For the following week. I'm waiting for that for the call. But it's never to come. Waiting for a week now first. Yeah, so yeah. But yeah, friends. So I'm not doing much today. Just chilling out, playing the games. Hopefully, teaming up with my friend Demi and Taylor and something because I saw he was on with me, but of course I didn't get invited again. Yeah, they're never thankful because I used to do that for people I don't know. It'd be nice to film on the whole match, but not with my friends. But every time I try, it happens. So. Right, so everybody should do matches that. If you think that we all views if I did do, you guys it's a good game, and you know, I'm used by a whole lot of a lot of do. But yeah, so I really want to film a match with guys, but I need my all friends. Killer, Summer, and me. Be match. I want to fill one match. I need all the internet to be involved in the match. I really miss talking. I miss using my mic. I use it sense. Waiting for music. Not sing song and shit. Kind of annoying, honestly. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm planning to start final 1 hours. Today I'm just hanging out chilling. Peace.